Hi there, I'm Ross Driscoll Sr., President and CEO of National E&S. We're very excited to announce that our COVID-19 cleaning coverage, or the C.C.C program, is now live. This is the first product of its kind, and it is exclusive to National E&S, as we'll be underwriting these risks in-house. As the largest writer of cleaning and restoration contractors in the country, we are intimately familiar with the risks that are associated with virus cleaning and abatement. We created a new program specifically designed for the non-fire and water restoration contractor. We are seeing lots of contractors enter this business for the first time who've never been a restoration contractor. Think of commercial janitorial contractors, abatement companies, pest control, painters, and other commercial contractors looking for new revenue streams. With new virus cleaning technologies emerging almost daily, this creates opportunities. Those who are on the front lines of virus cleaning need to be properly covered. This is the only solution designed specifically for them. Our goal is to find solutions that will assist them in helping others get back on their feet. For more information, check out our website. We can be reached at COVID-19@nationalens.com. We look forward to speaking with you.